So, do you want to try this?
No, sir. I don't want that. But I'll try this. The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family. Jam Fam, come hang with me. Jam Fam, come hang with me. Hi and welcome back to another video. Welcome to the Jam Fam cooking show. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I make a tuna response to this. So the pasta I like to use is tangy head. So you just take a few eggs, but don't forget to wash your hands. These do unfold down wash and boil it, so keep that in mind for your mind. But because this is then fill your pot up with some water. Once you've got some water in it, sea salt specifically. But if you don't have any sea salt, you're not having use salt that you have. You put a few pinches into the water where it's either foggy or that looks foggy, as that is part of the main dish. So I would use 2 tins. And so 2 tins of the small pack of tuna and 1 big pack of tuna. Don't worry, this is it. And just so I don't forget anything, I'm going to use my special cookbook. So according to the ingredients, you need cooked pasta, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, ketchup, tuna, and sweet corn. So, I have the right ingredients, so it's time to get. So you're going to get a decent pot to use. Doesn't really matter which pot you decide to use, as long as it's big enough and hold everything aside. I'm just going to use this pot here. So if you have tuna in brine, I suggest you pour the brine out. But if you have tuna in sunflower oil, you need that so it can dry. So you're going to get the tuna, you're going to pour it into the pot. If you get full pot of part number 2. That should be what it looks like. And you're going to do seasoning. Get the black pepper. Put some in, and the black pepper. This spoon, you can use a normal wooden spoon on everything, but I don't like to use a spoon when I'm making food. You want to stay away. So now that your seasoning is mixed, you should start to make brown instead of pink. And now that's a sign that you should get your corn put into the pan. You want to put all of it. Since the corn is already cooked, you don't need to have it on for that long. It should look like this. Now just to add some colour and some extra taste, you're going to start by adding your liquid. You're going to want to add a lot. Then your tomato puree. So this is a surprise dinner. My mum is away and she's coming back soon, so I'm just making her and I some dinner. Since she's going to have to work very hard to get dinner ready, and since I was here at this time, why not make her some food? So once you've mixed it, it should have that sticky sound. And it should look like that, nice creamy and red colour. You're going to want to turn that off and check on the pasta. The next thing to do. So now that it starts to separate, you're going to want to take the piece there. Make sure it's not too fresh. So I'll grab myself a piece here. So I'm going to try it. It's right here. I'm going to try it. It means more cooking. I'll check back in with you guys once the pasta has finished. So now that I've boiled the pasta and I've added some scallion, so now I'm just going to drain the pasta off with my foldable colander. So now that it's been drained, I'm going to pour it into the going to mix the two into it now. This should be what it looks like. Not grating any cheese. So yeah, and I'll show you when it's served. So my mom comes back to her next surprise. I'm going to be trying this eggnog right here. So here we go. Actually not that bad. I do recommend.
It tasted so nice. Oh, Mommy, do you want some? Oh yeah, I forgot. You can't.
Wow, I'm so glad that I had the taste of this patty. Couldn't wait. I'm sure you're going to like yours. This is 2 different patty shops we've been to. Went into KFC and ordered. So we got 2 meals. And let's just have a look. They only had 1 drink flavor, which is grape. So we'll try and see what that tastes like. And that's what the meal looks like. The weight was quite a bit of weight, but we'll see how it tastes in comparison to what it tastes like in the UK. They only had ketchup, they didn't have any other condiments. First bite. How does the fries taste compare? Is it better or worse? It's better? Okay.
It's like McDonald's fries.
Okay. And have you tasted the meat yet?
The fries are okay, but I've had better fried chicken.
Trying Jamaican Burger King. So I ordered an original chicken sandwich with onion rings and a Fanta, and my mom ordered
Fish sandwich with fries and grape juice.
So we're going to be trying each thing.
So what are you tasting first?
My onion rings.
Okay.
What are you having first?
I'm going to taste the fries.
I'm going to taste it with this sweet and sour sauce, which I never thought Burger King had until today.
Okay.
Do you want to try some?
I like it. I like the fries.
It actually smells nice. Do you want some?
Let's see.
That sauce is nice. Tastes better than
That was some good ASMR. Okay.
I'm going to taste my drink, and then the best part will be my sandwich, hopefully.
So, are we going to taste the sandwich?
Yeah. I have not had Sprite. No, Fanta in a while.
So the sandwich has, mine have lettuce, tomato, cheese, and then the fish fillet.
Mine has mayonnaise, chicken fillet, and some lettuce.
Okay.
That's it. So I'm going to try it.
I haven't had one of these in a while.
It has this weird aftertaste. I like it. Don't you try it? Should I break off a piece?
Yeah.
Can I taste yours?
Okay, just bite the bit. I haven't bitten yet.
Okay. That's good. I don't want it.
You can bite without the tomato.
I have this side. It's okay. I'm not that much of a fish fan, but it's not bad.
The chicken sandwich is fine. I would have preferred if it was spicy. I wasn't sure if you would like the fish, did you? You didn't like it. Is it because it has tomatoes, or you just don't like how the fish tastes?
Both.
Okay.
So that concludes us reviewing Jamaica Burger King. And this video is not sponsored.
What thing about the Jamaica Burger King that you like, and which meal do you normally order when you go in? Tell us in the comment section below.
Have a good day. See you in the next video.
We've managed to find this jerk center and bar, and we're going to go in and have a good time and see how we get on with the jerk. We've already ordered ours and just waiting for it to be prepared for us to go and have a bite. And this is what I got. The festivals were lovely, and the chicken was cooked. It was soaked properly, cooked well, and it tasted fine. However, I would have wanted my jerk a little bit more marinated in there, and for it to be popping of jerk seasoning and jerk flavor a little bit more.
The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family. Jam Fam, come hang with me. Jam Fam, come hang with me.